All right, so this engine did not come with a coal car. Just doesn't have one. Start it.
Then it doesn't have any fuel.
Then right here?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That does seem to be the case. And Donald has noticed how much.
What?
Donald has noticed how much that missing coal car has bothered you. So he built one.
He built one?
He built one. You can open it up.
That's the kind of coal car they had.
Mm-hmm. So Donald completely designed it, had it 3D printed.
Well, this was the typical type of coal car
Yeah?
that went with those engines.
Right. Would you like us to put it on the rails for you? By the way, he'll point out at this little piece right there even opens up so it can accept water.
What?
It can take water in as well. So that little piece opens up.
Well, that's how they put the coal in it.
Right. And there's one other special little detail off the front you might notice. If you just look real careful at the front of it.
What?
There's one little detail right off the front you might notice. Dad's noticed that you're real passionate about the fuel for this engine. So if you look right here off the front, there you go. There's a little hidden message there just for you.
Dad's fuel.
Mm-hmm. All right, Cindy Sue, a little train engineer, fire her up.
You usually don't have that kind of a tire on the back of the train.
Well, it's a kind of snow plow. I just tucked it on there because it has the backlight to sort of act as a caboose. It's a good looking pair, huh?
But having a snowplow tire on the back of the train doesn't do you any good.
Now what do you think of it?
That's a coal train. But the main thing now is that the engine has a fuel tire.
Right.
Okay, here.
And